Buying a new garage door is all about peace of mind. Hi, Dwight here from Mesa. Over the past 30 years, we've installed and repaired nearly 500,000 garage doors throughout Southern California. It's that longevity that gives our customers peace of mind, knowing they're getting the Mesa advantage. The best garage doors from the best professionals at the absolute best price. From low maintenance steel garage doors to handcrafted custom wood garage doors, we got you covered. Normally a new Mesa garage door is $949, but today I'm slashing the price to $599. You save $350, but wait, there's more. The installation is free, the bottom seal is free, even the sales tax is free. Call now and I'll throw in our exclusive Quiet Glide system, giving you the quietest garage doors on the block. $199 value, now absolutely free. Let us show you why we're Southern California's #1 garage door company. Don't miss out, call now.